This weekend I started tiling my concrete worktop. One half went really well and the other half turned into a complete disaster. Hello and welcome back to my channel. So if you've been following along, you'll know that I built this concrete worktop myself and it turned out great in the end and I'm really happy with the finish. So the next step was to tile it, including cutting out the opening where the sink and the hob will go. So I set up, measured everything carefully and started cutting the tile for the hob opening. At this point everything was going perfectly, nice straight cuts, no chips, and I was feeling pretty confident. And then this happened. I went to lift the tile after cutting the opening and it just fell to pieces in my hands. Not one crack, not two, but the whole thing basically exploded. I didn't actually catch the moment it broke on camera, but this is what was left of it. Not quite the plan for the weekend. Here's what I think happened. The tile was weakened around the hob cutout, and when I lifted it, there wasn't enough support underneath. So all the pressure went through the thin sections and snap, it just fell to pieces. I think I rushed the final lift instead of sliding a board underneath. The good news is the other half of the worktop went really well. The tile sat nicely, the edges lined up, and I'm really happy with how this side looks. So it's not all bad news. The hob side needs a new tile. So I'm going to get a new tile and I'm going to recut the tile, but this time I'm going to support it properly. So I might even try a different cutting method. So if you've done this before, I'd really love to hear from you. What is the best way to cut a hob opening without breaking the tile? Leave a comment. Any tips and advice is greatly appreciated. So that was my tiling weekend, one success and one disaster. So in the next video I'll show you whether the second attempt works, and thanks for watching. If you want to follow the full kitchen build, feel free to subscribe and stick around.